recording. God, hope so.
I see the record button.
Good to go.
I think we're good.
Alright, so let's get a little focus. I can't even tell. Focus? I don't know why I'm wearing these. So, my name is Roxanne. My name is Roxanne, and
I am the mysterious Kelly.
we are sisters. Do we look like?
Oh, she just hit me hard.
So sorry, I love you. Okay, so
anyways, enough of the sappy shit. Okay.
We are going to do a YouTube.
Because we have very exciting lives that nobody gets to see.
Yeah.
And it's quite funny to watch us struggle.
Everything is a mission. Like, everything.
And everything usually blows up in our face, like this next video that you're about to see.
Yeah.
So, hope you enjoy. See you soon.
How do you turn it off?
Don't forget to subscribe.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom!
Run.
Action!
I think we did this with Zach, but they were one at a time. This.
Oh!
The house
Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I did. Oh my god. Let's boot it.